Entrepreneurs require a range of skills, attitudes, aspirations, activities, support systems, networks to really make the most of their ideas and to succeed. Our goal here through Engine is to establish that ecosystem that continues to feed back on itself and grow and create more and more opportunities for people over time.
One thing, you guys are really lucky because when we studied at McGill, we just had courses. We didn't have a chance to explore and be involved in startups. And I think the way to learn is this program, Tech Excel and Learning and Entrepreneurship, is a great way.
So you get lucky, and if you see an opportunity, look at it.
Over 200 student innovators and entrepreneurs have been trained via our Tech Excel program since its inception in 2016. And 65% of the teams are still active with their ventures. We have 48% of our Tech Excel participants coming from other faculties besides engineering. So we can raise our glasses to congratulate and thank our entrepreneurs, our innovators, our inventors.
I'd also like to thank all of our generous donors for their continuous support in helping the McGill Engine develop tomorrow's technological innovators and entrepreneurs. It's really, really, really appreciated. As witnessed tonight, innovation and the need to create solutions for a better tomorrow doesn't stop. It must accelerate, in fact. I hope that it inspires you all to keep striving to meet society's challenges and to connect with potential avenues to leverage your projects. So in this spirit, McGill University and the Faculty of Engineering are committed to continuing to prioritize and support entrepreneurship within the university. Through the programs highlighted tonight, we aim to encourage and grow an entrepreneurial mindset and ecosystem amongst our students and faculty.